Hi guys, in this easy and quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add customer product reviews on the homepage on your Shopify store. Now this is going to be a quick video. First thing you need to do, guys, of course, you want to log into your Shopify store dashboard. Okay, so after that you want to click here. It says online store, as you can see. Now let me just switch to my other Shopify store. As you can see, I'm going to switch to this Shopify store. Okay, so what you guys need to do, like I said, you want to click here on online store. And then what you guys need to do next, you want to click on customize. Okay, here. And after, guys, you click on customize, then you want to select here homepage. In the top here, you want to select homepage. You can also add like reviews to collections, for example, to gift cards or checkout, customer account. You can add collections anywhere. You can add reviews, I'm sorry, to anywhere you want. Now in our case here, we are going to add it to homepage. Select here homepage. Now, depending on what app you are using, you want to click here. It says here add section. Now, in my case, I'm using this app. It's called Kodos. Okay, review. This app. Now, you just need to click on here. It says apps and select the app that you are using to add reviews to the product page. Okay, on your Shopify. Now, I'm going to add here the reviews. As you can see, I have added now reviews to homepage. As you can see, these are the reviews. You can also hold on it and then add it. It's just like drag it down or up. As you can see, you can put it anywhere here. You can also drag it down if you want like the reviews to appear at the very bottom. You can do that. You can also add the reviews to the footer. For example, you can click on footer here. You can add the block and you can click on apps, and again here, and you can add reviews to the footer, as you can see here. Okay, now if you are not able to do that, then you want to download this app that will help you add the reviews. That's very good and I like it. So what you guys need to do, you want to click the video on the screen so that you can add this app, so that you can, like, you know, import reviews from other websites, from any websites actually, to your own Shopify store. Now click the video on the screen and you will learn exactly how you can do this. Drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next one.